Hello, this is Ahmed Al-Mu'taz Ahmed. My supervisor is Dr. Lao Chiong. I'm building a smart medication dispensing system for pharmacists. Over here, this is my aim and objectives. Going to the justification of this research, I'm building this robotic system to help pharmacists and pharmacies to dispense medicine rapidly and also to increase the accuracy and reach an accuracy of 100% since dispensing a wrong medicine can cause a huge fatal error to people, and it will also help the patients to have more time with the pharmacists, and they will not have to, they will not need to go and bring the medicine from the shelf. The medicine will be brought to them by the robots. Over here, this is my proposed methodology. As you can see here, the doctor is going to select the medicine from the GUI. After selecting it, it will be converted into location coordinates. The robot is going to go to the medicine, and after that, a camera will take a picture of the medicine. If the medicine is correct, the robot will pick up the medicine and it will place it in the packaging area. The medicine will be packaged and it will be given to the customer. If no, then the alert the seller that the medicine is wrong and the medicine goes to the right location. And here is a visualization diagram for how my robotic movement will be. Starting with the concept design, this is a shelf that I'm going to be used. The robot is going, I'm building a Cartesian robot. The robot is going to go up and down for y-axis and right and left for x-axis, and the robot will go in and out for z-axis. As you can see here, this is a whole picture concept for how my system will work. Going to building the robots. The components for the robot, there is two parts, mechanical part and electrical part. The mechanical part, I'm using linear rails, which are these rails that are going to control the movement of the robot. A lead screw, which is this silver thing that will be mounted to anything I need to control. A self-aligning block, which will be connected to the stepper motor to the linear rail. Aluminium shaft rod is usually connected to the lead screw, and a linear bearing shaft, which is this thing. For the electrical parts, I'm using Arduino, CNC Shield, A4998 drivers, and 4 NEMA 17 stepper motors and limit switches for going to home. There were a lot of stages in building this robot. In the first stage, I had to know how to do it, so I started by doing some drafts, and this is how my first design is that this rail is going to go up and down and this thing is going to go right and left. After this stage, I had to figure out how to connect it to the computer. As you can see here, this is a short video of how it was connected to the computer. I was able to make it go right and left. As you can see here, after that, stage 3 is I connected the robot to the shelf and I started moving it up and down and right and left. As you can see here right now, it's moving down and it's going to move up. In stage 4, I connected the Z-axis. After stage 4, I started by building the end effector. The end effector is how the robot is going to pick the medicine. I proposed in my concept design is a suction cup will be used, but after doing a lot of research and trying the suction cup and everything, I figured out it's very weak and it cannot hold the medicine. So I thought of doing like something that can pick up the medicine from down and hold it. And this is my first trial. As you can see here, it went successful, but the medicine was so shaky and it can fall anywhere. So I had to try something else. Over here, I designed something. As you can see on the right picture, this is how it starts. So when the z-axis go in front, uh, this goes like this. So the medicine slides like this, and this was going to be like locked from here as like a box, so it prevents the medicine from falling. But I also didn't want to go with this design since it was very complicated and it was very heavy on the robot and the accuracy of the robot was so bad. Finally, I decided to go with this design is just build like a simple box, but it's open from the back and the front. And as you see here, this is how the medicine will slide. So once the medicine will slide here, uh, it will go like this. The back part, I fixed it to the Z axis, not to the end effector. So when this box go to the back, the medicine will fall. I'm going to show it more in my demonstration. So final stage is I built the medicine packages. As you see here, there are around 14 medicine. The the medicine is like in a slopey direction, so it helps. It falls in the ground, and also another main thing is, as you can see here, when I'm going to remove the medicine, the other medicine will fall down, which is very important in the industrial scale. So there can be a lot of medicine in one partition, not only one medicine. So after that, I'm going to show a few videos of how my results went in picking the medicine. This is my first video. In every video, I chose a different type of medicine to illustrate that my concept design can work with every medicine, and it can work even like with the whole package or just like the small package as well. So this is the first demonstration. I developed a GUI that can be controlled, and I programmed it to go to every location of the medicine. As you here is the second video. As you can see here, this is a different type of medicine, and the robot was successful to pick it up, and the robot goes down. Over here on the ground, this is like a conveyor belt. Like I didn't do it, but it's just a prototype and I'm just demonstrating it. So there will be like a conveyor belt that is going to deliver the medicine to the doctor. It fell at the end. And as you, as you can see here, like this is another type of medicine. The robot was successful in picking it up. Also, this box can take up uh, like around 3 or 4 medicine at one time. I am still developing it and I'm trying to make it better. This is not the final demonstration. This is just my first time building all of this. And I developed everything from scratch, and like this product is like I don't think it's out anywhere in the market or anything, especially a product like this that is available for every medicine and can save up space and can be helpful can be actually helpful for pharmacies and for people and can be integrated in real life. So yeah, this is the last medicine. It was like a round bottle. The robot was successful in taking it, and it's going to fall right now. All right, thank you so much, and have a nice day.